everybody. My name is Brianna and I am a physical instructor with the Chicago Park District. Today we will be celebrating Valentine's Day by making a Cupid smoothie with a marshmallow strawberry garnish. To make the smoothie, you will need a cup of milk, a cup of yogurt, and mixed berries. Place the cap on the blender nice and tight and blend on high. To make the garnish, you will need marshmallows, raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries, and a skewer. Don't forget about the Valentine's Day hearts. The smoothie will come out nice and pink, perfect for your Valentine. Go ahead and place the pink smoothie in a festive glass. Place your lovely garnish in the smoothie and you are all set to celebrate Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and are looking for more things to do while at home, stay connected and check out other activities with my colleagues on YouTube and ChicagoParkDistrict.com. Happy Valentine's Day!